Alright, let's look at the homework 5.5, 5.6, problem number 8. Alright, so we want to find the approximate the area under this curve from 0 to 4 using a midpoint rule with n equals 5. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first I'm going to try to find delta x. So delta x is simply b minus a over n. Right, so it's 4/5, which is 0.8. Right, so if you look at the interval from 0 to 4, so here it's a 0 to 4, and we split that into 5 pieces. So here, around here, here, and here. All right. So each delta x is 0.8, so that will be 0.8 here. So since we're using a midpoint, so this point right here, so this is 0.8, so it's in the middle, so that will be 0.4. Right, and actually it's kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll use a different color. Right, so here this is 0.4 here, and the midpoint would be, we just keep on adding 0.8, so it's a 1.2, and here it would be at 2.0. Here will be 2.8. Here will be 3.6. Alright, so in order to find a midpoint, so all you really have to do is plug in these red values. So M5 is equal to, right, so we have f of 0.4 plus f of 1.2 plus f of 2.0, I'll just say 2, and f of 2.8 plus f of 3.6. Right? Then multiply by delta x is 0.8. Right, so let's compute that. I'm going to use GeoGebra to compute it. Alright, so function is f of x is equal to 8x over x plus 1. Right, so oops, x plus 1. Alright, then I put that. Alright, then we need to compute, so I'm going to put parentheses, so you have f of 0.4 plus f of 1.2 plus f of 2 plus f of 2.8 plus f of 3.6, and then multiply by 0.8. Right, then we want to see 2 decimal places, so yeah, it said that. Okay, so then we just have to hit enter. Right, so got 19.31. right, so this is about 19.31. Right, so let's type it in. Right, this is 19.31 31. Right, the picture is going to be not going to be this, because this is below the x-axis. This is not going to be it, and the last one is not going to be it, because it has to go through, because this guy has a y-intercept 0. So looks like a picture is this guy right here, right? Alright, so let's double check by submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we got the midpoint correctly and the graph correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.